Good morning, Pleasant View Elementary. This is Mr. Harris, principal here at Warm Springs Middle School.
Morning, Roadrunners. This is Mrs. Harden, assistant principal at Warm Springs Middle School.
Today, we're going to read to you Packs, Strength and Number by Hannah Sawyer. I'm going to start off and I'll pass it off to Miss Harden when I finish. And then she'll finish up for us. Packs, Strengths and Number. We have packs. We have herds. We have huddles and pods. Together, we are better. When we ants head underground, we're known as a nest. We march miles across the forest floor, gathering green leaves as we go. Once we return to our colony, we store the leaves in our cellar to help grow food that we eat later. Together, we harvest. In billows, we bats take to the skies, forming a cloud. Flitting and flapping, yipping and yapping, we form strong bonds with our family. We love to gab, but all that yammer is not just chatter, it's echolation, a series of high-pitched calls we use to detect our prey and our surroundings. Together, we speak. We lions live in a pride, and proud we are. Our strong bonds come from our keeping close. We use purrs, licks, and nuzzles to express our feelings and relate to one another. Together, we nurture. We bright yellow fish are known as a school. We are quite formidable as a team when we stalk the reef in a large group chasing and circling our unsuspecting prey. Together, we hunt. We are wildebeest, also known as gurs, and our herd is called an impossibility. Often a million strong, we are the largest species of antelope to roam the Serengeti. Every year we migrate and cover lots of ground. We follow the rain and use our numbers as a shield to keep predators at bay. Together, we travel. In flight, we bees are called a swarm. While some of us zip and buzz from blossom to blossom, others stay home to care for the young. We pollinate flowers, tend to the hive, and make delicious honey. Together, we work.
We frogs can become one noisy army. When the winter ice melts away, we put on a grand performance to find the perfect partners. You can hear us chirp and bellow our love songs between the tall, swaying grasses of marshes, ponds, and swamps. Together, we sing. We are coral. That's plural to you. We exist as a colony and are vital beings in the fabric of the sea. As individuals, we are tiny, but when we link up, we create a large, colorful reef that is home to many other ocean dwellers. Together, we build. We flamingos can be found in thousands. We are known as flamboyant. We do everything together: feed, flock, sleep, and grow. When it's time to find our mates, we frolic in a fabulous foxtrot. Together, we dance. Many mongooses make a mob, but don't let our sweet looks fool you. We are sneaky and tough. At sundown, we gather into a protective cluster, and with our sleek tails curled tight, our eldest family members keep an eye out for danger. Together, we sleep. Together, we confuse predators. Together, we bask in the sun. All together, we are better. While many creatures of all species, shapes, and sizes, human and non-human alike, flourish in packs or groups, we also don't rely solely on our own kind to survive. Big, small, two-footed, four-footed, feathered, or furry, the diversity on our planet helps us all thrive. Sadly, many of the animals in this book are under threat from things like climate change, poaching, or habitual loss. So what can we do? Or habitat loss, sorry. So what can we do? We can learn more about these animals, read books, watch documentaries, plant a garden, and always pick up after ourselves. Research and find out more about how every type of creature has a special and important role to play on our planet. Even us. Look into our conservation programs that are helping to protect these creatures and write letters to these organizations. Talk about them with friends and family and make art and stories about them. We can strive to be gentle, kind, and thoughtful to all the beings who make our world better.
Here at Warm Springs Middle School, we are the Wolves. However, our faculty, staff, and our students, we are collectively known as the Wolf Pack, and we work together to make sure that our school is always doing the best it can in our activities and our academics. We hope that you enjoyed the book. Best of luck in the battle of the books, and thank you all for allowing us to participate.